Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and removing SIM and memory cards. This prevents short circuits and loss. Next, warm the screen edges briefly with a hairdryer on low to soften adhesive. Use a suction cup near an edge and insert a 0.5 mm pick to create an opening gap. Pry gently with a plastic spudger while avoiding the display flex cables. Once you have a corner open, slide the pick around to keep the gap. Make sure to stop before cable areas. Once the phone is open, remove screws holding the mid-frame and keep track of which go where because sizes differ. You must disconnect the battery before touching display connectors to avoid damage. Then carefully unplug the display and digitizer flex cables so the screen can be lifted. Inspect the frame for broken clips, hardened adhesive, or missing foam shims. These cause looseness. If mounting posts are damaged, note their location, since you will repair or replace them before resealing the screen. Rebuild damaged clips with small epoxy or install replacement parts, and apply a continuous strip of thin 3M double-sided adhesive around the frame. This restores even pressure. Reconnect display and digitizer, then reconnect the battery and power on to test screen alignment, touch response, and sensors. Once confirmed, power off, remove protective liners, press the screen into the adhesive using even pressure, and reapply heat to cure the bond. If things go wrong, clean connectors with 90% ice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.